If the alarm sound is too low on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now if silent mode is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it from here. Also on this page, if the ringtones and alerts volume is too low, just increase it from here. Because the slider of the ringtones and alerts also controls the volume of your alarm sound. So make sure you increase it from here and check if this fixes your issue or not. Also make sure you disable Change with Buttons, because when this option is enabled, you might accidentally decrease the alarm volume using the volume buttons. Now if this did not fix your issue, also on this page you will find the option of volume limit. Just tap on it. Now if this feature is enabled on your iPhone, it will set a maximum volume limit on your iPhone, which will decrease the sounds of your iPhone to the percentage which you have set. So make sure you disable Limit Maximum Volume. After you disable this feature, then check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then go back to the main settings page, and this time just tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, you will find the option of Audio and Visual. Just tap on it. Now from here, if mono audio is enabled, just disable it. Then scroll down, and under the balance settings, if the slider is either on the left or on the right side, just centralize it. Now when this slider is not balanced, this will cause the low volume issue on your iPhone. So make sure you balance this slider. After that, just go back to settings. Now from here, just tap on Face ID and passcode. Then enter your lock screen PIN. And on this page, you will find the option of Attention Awareness Features. Now when this feature is enabled, your iPhone will automatically dim the display, and it will also lower the volume of the speakers on your iPhone. So make sure you disable this feature. Now after you have done all that, then go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. To fix this issue, just go to Settings, then tap on General. Under the General settings, you will find the option of Software Update. Just tap on it, and over here just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. For that, just go back, and under the General settings, you will find the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN, and tap on Reset All Settings. Now this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. It will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the alarm sound is too low on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.